Okay, so welcome to Euron once again, guys. And today I'm going to talk about this course called as Deep Learning Master. So basically, this Deep Learning Master is completely available on our platform. And here, as a part of this deep learning, so I'm talking about almost each and everything which is required with respect to a deep learning. So whether it's a basic of the deep learning, whether it's a mathematics behind it, a neural network architecture, activation function, or maybe a loss function, maybe a backward propagation, forward propagation, each and everything I'm going to discuss. Plus, I'm even teaching you inside this one that how you will be able to create your own model with the help of TensorFlow and Keras. Plus, not just that, how you will be able to test those model. If you have a regression model, if you have a classification model, how you can do it, how you can try to test it, and not just that. So we are even talking about deployment. So deployment of a front end, deployment of the back end, testing those model with respect to a postman or exposing an entire model as an API with the help of fast API, each and everything I am going to discuss, or I have already discussed, you can say. So if you'll go inside a continue learning, you will be able to find out that all of these lectures are already available inside this deep learning, including a project. So everything is already available. Everything is already preloaded inside this deep learning masters. And I completely understand that deep learning is pretty much required to learn to understand a neural network fundamentals. But not just that. So obviously, if you are trying to explore something with respect to a computer vision, something with respect to a natural language processing, obviously you must need understanding about a deep learning. And this is where this particular course comes into a picture. And with Euron Plus, it's already available. So please go and check out this particular course. And yeah, hope all of you are going to love it. Hope all of you are going to like it. With that, thank you so much, everyone. Take care and see you again in my upcoming lectures.